Hello, guys. Welcome. Okay, welcome. So the market is open. Um, you guys have my watch list, like always, on my Discord. Um, yeah. Let's see. Let's see what this week is bringing on today. What what we have today and what we have this week. Hopefully, we have a better price action this week. Hopefully, because last 2 weeks price action's been insane, insanely weird. And today's gonna be day 2 for the um futures apex trading challenge. mm, I kind of have a new setup, so that's why I was a little bit late today, because I was working around this new setup, and yeah, I need to get used to it, to these new screens. I have the Microsoft on another way. OBS, which is the software that I use for stream, was working out. It wasn't working out today. But I think now we're good. Okay, so Microsoft is going without me. And we have a few very good possible swing trades for this week. Morning, morning. How's everyone doing today? So we have a lot of movement. First 5 minutes of the market open. Amazon looking beautiful for a swing. Finally broke out of the 180 and held that freaking 180 level. Microsoft was one that I really wanted to trade today, but it's gone. It's gone. Okay. In futures trade, you guys are gonna see it on the screen. Let's see if the Q is gonna break out of this range here. If it can break 447, we maybe have a good setup to the upside. Amazon doing awesome. That swim looks beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm almost 40% up on that one. Looking beautiful. So I'm gonna take some profits around 184 on Amazon. Microsoft is pretty much gone, so no point on watching that one. And I have three possible very good swing setups. Okay, the Q breaking out. Looks like I want to see it holding 447.50. Yeah, I want to see it holding there. Morning, morning. It's AMD going also. That's another swing. Yeah, beautiful swing also there on AMD. So we have two swing trades that are working out pretty good so far. Yeah, AMD, we want to see it holding Friday high. But my main PT on AMD is around 186. 186 and 187.50. If the Q can break 447.50, that will be my entry to play the upside with futures. Do we have data coming up today? Why is this chart not working? Okay. Yeah, I'm AMD. I'm gonna take some profits around 186 and 187. Okay, the Q is rejecting 447.50. We had 940 PMI at 945. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for PMI. And what's the 10 a.m. data? Morning. DR is Dominican Republic, right? That sounds nice. Sounds good. I love Dominicans. They're super funny. So we might have the Q breaking 447 with PMI. Maybe. But that's the level I'm watching to play it off of. And SPY all-time high. It's going for that. So let's be patient here and wait and see. Morning. I bought this new streaming deck that I'm so excited to play with that. I'm gonna have like new like stuff for the stream, like funny sounds, weird sounds. It's gonna be so much fun. And I'll be able to do pretty much everything with one click. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I got it today, so at first I need to like program that thing, but it's super helpful for streamers. You can literally do everything, you can have everything set up with one click. Is this this thing is this thing so good. Um yeah, this. It's your first time here? Welcome. So with one click, I'll be able to open YouTube, um, program my OBS software. That is the one that I use for the stream. I'll be able to play music. Where do I show? Pretty much, I'll be able to trade also, just clicking one of these buttons in and out, super fast. This. A little expensive, but I think it's definitely worth it. It's like 270. I trade futures and options pretty much the same. I trade everything pretty much the same based off support and resistance and trends. Daily support, resistance, and trend. Okay. Look AMD killing it. 186, 187, I'm gonna take profits there on that swing. And Amazon's doing nothing, but as long as it's holding above 180, I'm bullish. Ooh, look at Nvidia, how it bounced out of the 902 level. That was a beautiful perfection. Perfect bounce out of that level, 902. I wanted to play Microsoft so bad. So bad. If Microsoft was telling us that it did not want it to keep going lower, 421, it was really fighting that level. And when I saw it today that it gap up above 421.50, I was like, that's the play that I really want to swing. Or at least do a day trade. But it's gone. Nvidia was perfection also. Pretty much the same played with Nvidia and Microsoft. This level here, held, and boom, broke the downtrend. Beautiful. Beautiful. AMD, the swing trade was so clean. So we have PMI. What's PMI? Yeah, 945. Looks like SPY didn't like that. Let's see what the Q is gonna do here. SPY is rejecting this 920, I'm sorry, 524 level. Okay, I'm gonna take some profits here on AMD. Hit my first target. Yeah, beautiful. Almost 30% up. So I'm taking a little bit of profits here. My main target is 187. I put an alert a little bit before 187. Let's see. Like US rejecting it for 47.50, but it's not a strong like it's not enough for me to play the downside here. Could be just consolidating at the top to break that resistance. I want to see Amazon doing better here. CrowdStrike, let's see. No, CrowdStrike, it's an inside a huge range. It needs to break to either side. So let's put a alert here and another one at the top. So it needs to break to either side. Same with Palo Alto. I'm watching target for a huge possible gap swing. Let's watch. Let's see what's Nvidia gonna do at 926, between 927.50 and 925. That's the next Nvidia resistance. I don't like this Amazon move here. No. I don't know, maybe if it goes down to 160 and you see it holding 160, maybe you can play a bounce there. Yeah, I think 160. Also, looking pretty wiki. But yeah, if can hold 160 or 161, it could retest 168. Yeah. I would like to see it first fill in this little gap here and go to 160. 160, 161 for snow. So I'm gonna patiently wait for the Q to do something here. It's either gonna break this level, or if goes under the VWAP, that might look like a rejection play. So far, we have not much. SPY is fighting previous all-time high. It's around 424, 424.20. I will say something like this. Yeah. And I want to see Amazon holding 180. If it goes under 180, I'm getting out. And if it holds 180, that might be a good entry for a swing on Amazon. Okay, AMD. Okay, I'll be taking pretty much 90. I'm gonna leave only one contract on AMD because I think that most likely is the top for now. Yeah, 36% up on that one. That was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful play. Perfection. Let's see if it's gonna go to 188. Okay, I got in target for a possible gap fill there. That's a huge, huge gap for target. Had mm, 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 mm. If it goes down to 176, 175, I'm getting it. I'm adding more there. I got the 185 for next month, the 17th of next month. Mm, what's this? Mm, okay. The Q is consolidating right at resistance, which is that's kind of bullish. And what was this on SPY? That's a weird move. Um, okay, so we have that day 10 a.m. data. Mm, Look the market how it's tanking. What's Apple doing today? Nothing. Okay, let's see. Um, Enough with options. Let's see. Let's go with features. Mm, I'm looking at this cutie QQQ consolidation. Oh, not here. IWM pretty weak. Nvidia's looking pretty weak. Also, same with SPY. There you have your tanking. Market tanking there. What's Friday high here on Nvidia? Let's see. 912, 913. That's Friday high. That could be a level for Nvidia to hold. It's okay. So we have the Q still rejecting the same level that it's been rejecting for, I will say, 5 days, 6 days. SPY is looking pretty weak, Nvidia looking pretty weak, so that might be my entry to play the downside here on the Q. We have Powell tomorrow. Okay. I enter there. Let's see. Mm-mm. I want to see Nvidia going back down to 904, 902. And I want to see the Q keep it under the VWAP. If it goes back up, I'm getting out. Same if I see Nvidia going higher here. Yeah, I want to see the Q staying under the VWAP, but it's fighting there. I don't like that. I don't like that move on SPY also. I don't like that move on Microsoft and Nvidia. Yeah, got out there. I don't like that move. I like it to the upside, not to the downside. This move on SPY is crazy. There's two candles. If this candle closes like that, that's a weird move. Oh, by the way, these are the 10 50K accounts that I'm playing trading with the Apex challenge. Nvidia is looking so far very bullish. Hail Friday's high, which is bullish. We have Powell tomorrow again. Why are we having Powell so many times? All the time. Are we gonna have another weird morning like the past 2 weeks? If we have another week like that, it will be third week having super weird mornings. So Amazon bouncing from 180. That's what I want to see. But I wanna see Amazon looking stronger. Still have nothing. We have nothing here on the Q and SPY. Okay, I like that move on Nvidia, so I'm gonna go long here with NQ. I like that it's holding the VWAP, and I like Nvidia's move. And also Microsoft, it's moving higher. You can see what I'm doing on the screen. You see the futures plays on the screen. You literally have my trade here. You can see it here. I don't like how the SPY is looking, but I think as long as the Q and Nvidia are holding the VWAP and also Microsoft holds the VWAP, it's bullish. But I don't like SPY. I want to see Microsoft above 426. Mm-mm-mm. I don't like that move on the Q. That move on Nvidia is no bueno. Got out. I think the play was to play this reaction here, 447 reaction. And that Nvidia was such a big fake out. Ooh, that's a big move. Big move there. I'm so mad that the Q stopped me out in this little bounce above the VWAP. Hmm, that's awesome. Yeah, the trade was to play this reaction here on the Q. This reaction here. And I got a fake out on this bounce here above the VWAP. Freaking Q. At least I had a good plan on the first one, right? The thing is Nvidia, and Nvidia keeps holding Friday high, which is bullish. And it's fighting this 912 level there. That's Friday high. But this move is super weird. You have hold of this 912 level, went above the VWAP, and then you have a big rejection candle at 918, which is weird. It's weird. That is a weird move on Nvidia. But yeah, the trade was 447 reaction on the Q. And if Nvidia loses this level here, this support here, the Q is just gonna die. But it's still holding. No, no, it's not crazy. That's what it literally is doing right now. At least it's buy. And 448, I think it was previous all-time high on the Q, yeah. But it's using 447 as resistance. 447.50. That was a beautiful, beautiful reaction. I was very close to buy it here. I just at that time Nvidia was so strong and it was holding the view above the VWAP that I didn't like how it was consolidating like before doing these candlesticks. So like that, we're thinking on buying a possible rejection play there, but it wasn't looking too bearish until um this candlestick here, and then it faked me out above the VWAP. I kind of like this consolidation here on Amazon at 180. But I want to see the looking stronger for any tech upside play. Yeah, look, that was a beautiful rejection on AMD. 187, perfect point to get out. Perfect. Then maybe AMD is gonna move around between 180, 187, consolidate a little bit, and maybe after a few consolidation days, like between 180 and 187.50, then most likely it's gonna move higher to at least 193, 192.50. But as of now, my main play on AMD is done. I like Nvidia. Nvidia is looking super bullish. And 26. 925, it will be the next Nvidia PT between 924 and 28, but it needs to really hold here. And this 180 hold on Amazon not looking bad. I just don't like how the Q and SPY are looking right now. SPY is kind of trying to hold this 523 level. And Microsoft, it's kind of curving up. But I want to see like more bullish, stronger bullish trend. So basically, we have one big move in the morning, like when the market opened, and that's it. Again, freaking choppy market. Unless you play this rejection here on the Q, was very clean. If you enter it here, I added a little bit more to my Amazon swing. If it loses 180, I'm getting out. Mm. Yeah, I definitely like this Nvidia. How Nvidia is holding there. To 518, maybe. First needs to break 523 and then 522 and then 521.50. But it's definitely looking bearish unless it keeps holding here. That's around Friday's low. Yeah, Friday's low. Friday's low is 522.79. Yes, let's see. Thursday. Oh, I'm sorry, Thursday. I'm keep saying Friday because it's was the last trading day, but it's Thursday, not Friday. Like 522.80. Ooh, that's a big move there. Mm. I don't know. So far, it's looking pretty weak. So far, SPA is looking pretty weak. I'll be saying yes, most likely looks exactly the same. Yep. Yeah, that's an ugly, ugly daily candle on ES. But yeah, 4,300 is the level that you want to see at SPY ES holding. Yesterday, Thursday low. It's pretty much the same as SPY. Thursday low is a level we want to see it holding if we want to see more upside. If you're playing the downside, you want to see it losing that level. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is trying to break out with the SPY and the Q going lower. Microsoft is holding pretty good so far. IWM, let's see. It's under 209, which is bearish that. And if the Q closes like that, that's a ugly candle on the Q. Tesla is dead. Let's see. What's with Tesla? Tesla, poor Tesla is being a freaking mess, but I will say that 176.50 reaction was pretty clean. That was beautiful. Look at that. That was beautiful reactions. I love seeing levels playing out. I haven't touched the Tesla chart for like weeks. And look how these levels been playing out perfectly here. This reaction, and now we have this reaction here. So I guess I'm gonna change this to red now. Let's see what's Google do. Damn, Google? Why is Google so strong? Huge move when the market opened. Now it's doing nothing but. That was a big move. Clear, clean upside here on Google. So if the market change direction, and Google is one of the ones that we wanna keep an eye on, because look at this move with the market going lower. That's pretty strong. For Google, we want to see it holding this high. It's 155.80 or 4.25. Yeah, look at this weekly. Is this an all-time high for Google? Yes. Ooh, Google broke all-time high? Yep. Okay, so that's pretty bullish. Now we wait for a pullback to this level here. Pretty much break, retest, and we want to see this level holding. But I will not look to play any upside if the market is looking as weak as it's looking right now. No new upside here. Freaking Q, fake me out here. I hate you. I hate you. Well, congrats if you play any upside, any downside. I'm sorry. Mm, freaking Q, fake me out. That's an ugly, ugly daily candlestick on the Q. Huge weak rejection there. Mm. So, clean downside here. Not much to do if I didn't catch this downside at the top. I have not much to do. At least with futures. I don't see much opportunity here for me. But with options, I still like Amazon and kinda like Nvidia also. What's Meta doing? Meta has a very clean downside. After it broke 500, um, not much action, only downside on Meta. Anyone got this rejection here in the queue? That would make me so happy if any of you got this rejection. Oops. Squeeze? Squeeze to the downside? I don't think so. Not enough big move. Very slow squeeze. Most of the time happen very fast. At least we had AMD swings, right? Yes, reaction, nice. Nice. If you're new, I will not trade with my own money. Number one, I would not use my own money trading futures if you're new. You can easily, like easy, lose your entire account in like one trade. That's that's awesome. 24%, that's awesome. Nice. 30%. Awesome, guys. PDF starting to lose it here. And you held. Keeps holding. So we have Amazon, Nvidia, and Microsoft holding. 180 on Microsoft, Nvidia 912, and Microsoft. I'm sorry, 180 on Amazon, Microsoft 424, Nvidia 912. The Q now needs to hold this morning low here. That's the next support. If not, 444 and then 443. SPY is crazy weak. Ooh, Nvidia's dying. Starting to look pretty weak. Yep. This 30-minute candle is bearish, definitely. Still needs over 11 minutes to close, but it's not looking good. That's definitely not gonna help the Q. SPY kind of looks like a bear flag, right? Yeah. Oops. 523 retest on SPY will be in rejected. That will be beautiful. If SPY can bounce here and retest 523 and reject there. So maybe we can have a flag like this. Let's see. But I don't love going short when we're so far from the VWAP. And Microsoft is holding and Amazon also. What is Apple doing? Let's see. Um, right now it's trying to hold 169. Sorry, yeah, almost 170, but not looking too hot. See Meta. Meta's super weak. Couldn't even try to retest 500, but he only got to 497, almost 498. But Meta is very weak. Um, what else? AMD, beautiful 187 rejection. Mm, Google is flagging. Yeah, it's looking. Google is crazy strong. It's flagging, trying to flag to the upside, but I will not trade anything to the upside with this move in the market. Nvidia is losing in here. If I ever, yeah, I have, but that's a YOLO. It's not like a, isn't you get, yeah, swinging into earnings is a YOLO trade. But I like more selling premium into earnings. It's a YOLO trade. Doing anything into earnings. It's not like a setup that you will play. Or at least I wouldn't. Okay, the Q is losing it here because of Nvidia, most likely. Now Google is the next one, but it's holding very good. Freaking Q. I hate when this happen. Like when I get fake out with this type of move. went under the VWAP and then give you like a bounce here. And these, I got out because this candlestick was looking like um was using the VWAP support. So I was like, I need to get out here, get out of this short because most likely it's gonna go back and retest for 47.50, only to sell off and do an engulfing candlestick here. Bearish engulfing candle, which is very bearish. But it is what it is. That was the trade of the day. That one. That reaction here. And I feel like if I don't catch the first move, if I don't get a good entry on the first move, I feel like I don't know, I don't like trading after if I don't have like the top or the bottom. If I'm playing obviously calls at the bottom and puts at the top, I feel like I cannot trade the after that. Like I feel weird. I don't like trading after the big move. But if I lose my good entry, I feel like it's too easy to get a fake out like I did here. What gap? Where's the gap? I don't see gaps on the queue. What's the gap? I don't see any gap. Today has no gap. I don't see any gap there. I don't see gaps. You don't have any gap. The queue pretty much open at Thursday high. So I don't see any gap there. This is the close here and this is the open. The queue has no gap. Clean downtrend here. If it breaks 445, that could be the next entry. 445 break. Yep. That could be an entry for a possible bounce to the VWAP, but it's looking pretty weak. And same with SPY. Can really hold 522 and we see some consolidation here. We could go for a bounce. We have Nvidia trying to hold this level here, 90 this support here. Pretty much, we want to see it holding morning low. It's 11 o'clock. Mm, I need to do something, but the market is not moving. Mm, whoa, what happened with Palo Alto? Still inside this huge range, but in the smaller time frame looks like a crazy move. It kind of is, like from 285 to 279. That's over $5 move. That's kind of a big one. Yeah. Last night I went to Miami Slice Pizza. It's a famous pizza place here. And I ate too much. So I need to fast for maybe one day. Maybe I need to fast for the entire day today. And I ate very late. It was like 11, almost 12 last night. So not I need a lot of protein. If I eat anything, it's gonna be like a huge steak. And only steak. My stop loss on target, I think 170. Yeah, 170. It's a long-term swing trade, and I'm gonna add more if it goes to 175, 176. So don't expect target to do anything this week. Maybe go down. You're old man. If you can eat after 8, I honestly have no problem eating late. Oh really? They moved that? 2500? No, I think it's been 2500 forever. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Do you got an email for that or something? Hmm. Isn't I thought it was already 2500. Yeah, 2500 and 3K for the 100K. Yeah, you got me confused there. Yeah, it's been always 2,500 for the 50K account and 3K for the 100K account. Yeah, no problem. Okay, I like this Amazon move, how it's holding 180. I like that. I like the 100K static. The thing is, like, to pass that, you need to be very, very good, like controlling yourself and risk managing your trades, because you only have 629 as a drawdown. But the good thing is you go, when is it? And what's the profit target, profit goal on that one? Let's see. It's 2K and 625 drawdown. So I like that one, but you need to be very patient and only trade like 3 micros. If you're very, very patient and very good risk managing your trades, that's the one I will pick. I like that one. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I love that one. I used to try with that one, but that one is not good for me because I'm streaming, so I kind of need a little bit more risk so I can give you a good show. I can give a good show for you guys. But if you're not streaming and you don't need to show anything to anyone, 100K static, it's pretty good to start with that one. It's only you will build very good habits, and like I always say, pass good habits to the, if you trade with bad habits on your eval, you're gonna trade with the same bad habits on your PA. I'm waiting to see if the Q is gonna break 445, or if I see a little bit more consolidation of SPY around 522. Yeah, I think that's why I sometimes have red days on the stream, but then when I trade on my own, I can turn around my accounts because I can trade stress free. But days like these would not, if I didn't get like good setups, are boring. Like boring. The stream goes pretty much dead. Apple keeps dying. Apple is a mess. Too many bad news on Apple. Yeah, Apple keeps going lower and lower. Google still holding. Meta is still under the VWAP. Microsoft kind of holding, but it's looking weak, like very weak. Ooh, that's a big move on the queue. And SPY. Most likely it's Apple. Apple's been nothing but down. Extremely weak. And I gotta be very, very patient here to take another trade on this challenge. Pretty much everything but Google have a very ugly daily candle so far. Huge rejection at the top. Everything. SPY, the Q, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft. Everything but Google. And this target daily candle also so far, it's kind of telling me that it wants to go lower to 177, 176. So I'll be adding more if it goes here. Mm. Mm. So we have next support around 121.50, a little bit higher. I will say this level here. That was Tuesday close. No, Tuesday high and Wednesday open. Look at this Nvidia daily candle. That's ugly. Needs to hold here. Nvidia needs to hold here. 902. Yeah, so basically it needs to hold this level here. 900, 902. Hello, hello, Orlando. So yeah, I think that I pretty much missed this entire move. The trade was this rejection on the queue. I don't see any good entries here, for me at least. Not even one good bounce to play the rejection. So it's basically all down. Nothing to trade here for me. Looks like these accounts are gonna be red today. Yeah, that's an ugly day for. That was ugly. I hate when when these happen to me. I hate when I get fake out and I have the right direction. Freaking fake out. I hate when that happens, especially when you have like a clear and very strong move. Yeah, but Vita's looking so ugly. It's under 900. If you cannot hold 900, done so. It's gonna retest Friday, I'm sorry, Thursday and Wednesday low. And the queue is gonna keep going lower and lower. And it looks like Amazon is gonna stop me out here. That would have been such a beautiful play, but whatever. That's the market, right? That's part of the game. Yeah, I got a very good move on options, right? I got AMD. That was a big win for me. I was I was holding a bunch of contracts, and I'm super happy that I got 99% out on AMD on that 187 retest. But Amazon looks like it's gonna stop me out here, and read on these futures challenge. In fact, if Amazon goes under 180 and keeps rejecting 180, that might be a good short play. But I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take anything else right now. Yeah, what a fake out on Nvidia. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I have a bunch of kids screaming outside my house, like on the street. So this is it for the queue. The queue needs to hold this level here. Otherwise, it's done so. And if the queue hold this level here, we're gonna keep having this crazy range movement. And Nvidia is Thursday low, and yeah, Thursday low and Wednesday low. Mm. But that's what the Feds want to see. They want to see the level, the employment market going lower. So the Feds kind of want to see that. They want to see more people losing, they, yeah, less people being employed. Because they always said the the market, the employment market was too strong. Okay, I like that move on SPY. And Amazon keeps holding 180, which is good. Should we go for a bounce play here? Mm-mm-mm. I kind of want to see a little bit more consolidation. Any support to play a bounce. Possible bounce to the VWAP. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I honestly don't trade based on any data or any news. I only trade the charts. So I honestly don't care what happened in the economy as long as I can read the charts and I can read them well, obviously. If I can read them well, I will keep trading only based on the charts and my levels. I don't know. I need to see the charts, but I don't see like I don't think futures have gaps, right? I don't know. I honestly don't know. And I never check futures charts. So I'm not really familiar with gaps on futures. I never see gaps on futures charts, but I don't know. I only see gaps on SPY and the Q, like on the stock market. I don't see gaps on futures. I think that's why I don't use futures chart. But it's also because I've been trading always with watching SPY and the Q, so I'm so familiar with how the SPY and the Q move that I just keep using them. The more you see and trade the same charts, the easier it gets for you to read those charts. Ooh, I like how the 30-minute candle is closing on the Q. Let's see how it's closing on SPY. Yeah, I like it too. I like how Amazon is holding 180, keep holding 180. But I kind of want to see Nvidia holding better here. If the Q can give me another candle like this one or like this one here, close it closer to 443, I'm gonna play it bounce here. But I kind of want to see a better hold here. Yeah, like that on Nvidia here. It's rejecting 900. Nvidia is rejecting 900. I need to find a good playlist for the stream so I can play it in the background, a little bit lower in the background, but it needs to have no copyright. Otherwise, these videos will get blocked by YouTube. Batman meditation? That's a good name. Gonna search it. Batman meditation music. Four. I found one 4 hours, 8 hours. What type of music is that? I'm gonna play it for a little bit. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. Piano jazz. I kind of want some like house music. Let's see. No, this is too relaxing. I think I'll fall asleep. No. No, I kind of want something more up tempo. This is too slow. That's too slow. I'll research a little bit more later after the stream. Yeah, I'll fall asleep with that. That's definitely good music for meditation and for falling asleep. Yeah, I like house music. Um, Pfizer, Ibiza house music. Ibiza house music is good. I don't know if I can play it on the background with uh because I follow another streamers. I follow Simba and he always plays like very good. He has like a very good Spotify playlist, but I know he got a few videos like streams that got blocked after like the next day, literally, just because of the music. So yeah, I'll research later. Okay, let's see Pfizer. I don't like playing Pfizer. I don't like how you move, but it's doing nothing. Like clear rejection of 28, but it's pretty much doing nothing. Like look, this ugly bunch of wicks at the top everywhere. I don't like when you don't have a clean chart. I don't like trading when it's not clean the daily. I can also see a possible inverse head and shoulder, but yeah, I don't like, it's too messy. Maybe possible head and shoulder, maybe this is a weird flag, but I don't like this chart. It's too messy. I like clean charts. Too many weeks at the top. Okay, wait. I think I'm gonna miss. I'm gonna go long here. Oh, thank you. And that's gonna be the last trade for this account. That's the third one. It looks like it's gonna be red, another red. And video's looking pretty weak. The Q looks like it wants to retest 443, which is very possible. Microsoft is looking pretty weak. Might just wait until retest this level here, this low here, and add maybe two more. That's the bottom of the range here on NQ. On QQQ, I'm sorry. Today's I put today was day 1 on the challenge. Today's day 2. Day 1 was Thursday, and we made $27. Come on, just give me a little boom boom to the VWAP. That's only what I'm asking for. Go to the VWAP. Okay, and SPY's trying to hold this high here. This high here. Ooh. Keeps rejecting the 9 EMA. It's no bueno. Dun, dun, mm, mm, mm. So far, I like that ad on Amazon. So we have Amazon, Microsoft, AMD, Meta, TSM, and Netflix and Google green today, and Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Snow, red. Oh, let's say we have a bounce here to the VWAP. I like that hold on Nvidia, Amazon, the Q, and SPY. So far. So far. But Amazon is looking like a break and retest. So far, again. Come on, Nicky, just go, go, go. Go a little higher. Go, go, go. Nope, nope, nope. Keeps projecting the 9 EMA. You guys saw that Apex had two people that got paid $1 million on the last payment? That was insane. And another one was 600K. That's crazy. $1 million getting paid. That's a good PT. That's a good price target, right? $1 million. No, you cannot see the trades. It's only you only see payments. But I kind of don't like that they show that because you don't want, like, I don't like people knowing how much money I'm making. Like, I don't like that. Like, I understand that some people need that if they're selling signals, but let's just say you don't do streams, you don't do signals, you don't have a Discord, you don't have anything. You will like privacy, right? Then show your name, your country, state, and how much you're getting paid. I think not anymore. I don't think you can blow it up anymore. It's like when you win the lottery. Like, I don't want everyone knowing that I got $1 million or a billion because the lottery here it's like you won 1 billion. I don't want anyone knowing that. That's a little bit dangerous, right? Okay, I added one there. If the queue does 443, I'm gonna be 100% out. And an ugly move on spy. Yeah, I definitely think that should be private. Or at least you should have the option to have privacy. maybe show a alias or something like that. But they show how much they're paying you, your name, your state and country. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Amazon keeps holding this level, but these are ugly 30-minute candles. Look how many wicks has. Definitely indecision candles, but looking more bearish than bullish, but it's still holding 180. The first 30-minute candle from today was crazy. Look at this long wick here. If I don't get step out here at 4:43, looks like today's gonna be a long stream ending red. Because I'm buying less than one mini per account. So that way I spread my risk on these accounts. It's not the same buying one mini than buying 6 micros. You gotta buy 10 micros for one mini. So 10 micros is one mini. And I'm not buying I'm not buying 10 micros on each account. So I'm buying 6 micros on 10 accounts. It's not the same. Nvidia needs to hold here. If not, the Q most likely is gonna lose 443. And then the next support is 442, which is this low here. Yeah, 442. That's my alert to stop trading. But I'm gonna wait and see if I'm gonna step out here, 443. Looks like it's gonna stop me out. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. It closes strong under 443. I'm out. If wicks here, I'm gonna still hold. I bought two more there on that low. I'm gonna sell those two at around 444. And Philo. Yeah, I do think it's a market for scalpers. Thank you, Enki. Or Inky. And Nvidia's looking weak again. That's not gonna help me. Come on, bro. Go a little bit higher. Move. Go to 444. Look, Amazon. Amazon really don't want to lose that 180 level. I'm gonna sell two here. gonna sell one more there. Come on, break the 90 EMA. Gonna sell a little bit more at 444.50 if you can go there. If you can go there. And ride this possible move to the VWAP. No, I never like I don't know because I don't really watch NQ or ES on TradingView, so I don't know if that matches or not, honestly. Maybe go and check out um if your TradeObate is linked to TradingView because I know sometimes it turn off by itself. I don't know why, but sometimes that happens. Okay, okay. I like that hold on Nvidia. I would like to see Nvidia retesting 900 and then the VWAP. We had Chewy at 16. Oh yeah, that's my other possible swing. I got a 16.5 goal for the next month on the 10th. My stop loss is gonna be under 15. So I'm not even gonna look this chart. Mm, mm, mm. My PT, it's above 17, almost 18. This is a long-term, kind of mid-term swing trade. And everyone that is on my Discord, you guys know why. Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah. Contract month. Yeah, maybe. Come on, Q, give me a boom boom to the VWAP. Maybe we can end the day green and be done for today. No, I wish. I wish. I got a fake out. I the my first, that was my first, I don't remember, it was my yeah, it was the first trade that I did with futures today. I enter the downside on this candlestick, on this one, and I got out here because it was above the VWAP and I got a fake out, sadly. Now we need to break 445, 444.50. So this low previous support, we want to see it acting as support again, not as resistance. Low 0.50. Yeah, don't even remember me that. I almost cried. Nah. Nah. We had a beautiful, beautiful swing on AMD. And we pretty much got out at the top. Yeah, 187 rejection. That was the signal to get out. I'll cry if we go back to red here on this one. This is the last trade for these accounts. That's trade for today. Okay, I want to see this break. Amazon's looking beautiful. This 30-minute candle is engulfing the one before, but we still have over 14 more minutes for that candle to close. Nvidia is bouncing. That's definitely gonna hold the Q. I want to see Nvidia retesting 900. I'm gonna put a level here at 900. Yeah, I was support before, then acted as resistance. I want to see her breaking that resistance. I want to see this Amazon 30-minute candle closing like that. Strong green. Good. Good. Go, Q. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Give me another push. I just want the view up here. Just the view up. I'm gonna sell one more here just in case we reject this level. Come on, go higher. I don't like that reaction there. Come on, boom boom, boom boom here, boom boom here. Definitely rejecting that level. What an ugly candle on the queue. And literally touch the top and now touch the bottom and it's right at the middle of this crazy range. I also want to see a spy holding here. Yeah, like I want to see a spy holding there. And also Nvidia. Microsoft is not looking good. Super choppy. Microsoft today is super choppy. Thanks. Um, I kind of want to get rid of NQ and go long here on Spy. I like more how Spy is holding. Kind of like changing one for the other one. Come on, Q, go, move, move higher. Boom, 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 October 12. I completely forgot. Mm, that's why I'm hungry. If the queue loses 444, most likely I'll be out and end the stream there. If it keeps holding, This 90 MA, it's bullish. Even though I don't really use the 90 MA, but I can see how the Q and SPY are reacting to the 90 MA today. Hmm. This might be a inverse head and shoulder, maybe. And I definitely like more SPY than the Q. SPY is looking stronger than the Q. We'll see. Is the next resistance. Come on, I think we need Microsoft to change its weakness. It's too weak. Nvidia is looking not bad for a bounce, for this bounce play. And Amazon is holding, but Microsoft is looking pretty weak, I will say. Yeah. We definitely had a very good entry here. Pretty much, we catch the bottom here. Finally, a good entry today. Let's go. Yeah, so the Q needs to break this level here. Looks like it wants to. And for the neck on SPY, it will be this level here. For this head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder play. Come on. Nvidia 900. 900. Come on, I need you to move fast because I need to end the stream before 1. I have to teach a class at 1. So I need the queue to move and go to the VWAP before 1. Before 1 o'clock. Nvidia needs to break not 900 for a real boom boom. And I want to see Amazon above the VWAP also. I don't like that. Come on, go higher. Move. You want to see like a strong bullish candle here, breaking this level. Yep, like that. Or higher, go higher. Not like that. It's looks like it's Microsoft. Yeah, well, Apple is looking, it's very weak also. It's rejecting the VWAP. Let's see what Meta is doing. It's curling up. And Google is flagging. It's flagging above the VWAP, above previous all-time high. I would love to see Google retesting 154, 155. Okay, I like that move on Nvidia. I want to see SPY breaking this resistance here. Now, hold, hold it here. It would be crazy if the queue closed the day green or red, but close it here at the top. That will be insane. Go, awesome, go, move. Move. VWAP 905 can be a little bit of resistance here on Nvidia, but I'll just go. I'm looking for Nvidia to move to the VWAP, just like the Q and SPY. And if Amazon can close above Thursday high, that will be amazing. If not, it's just gonna keep consolidating here inside this freaking range. Nvidia kind of fighting that 900 level. Can see kind of this uptrend here. Same with the Q, has this kind of uptrend here. But yeah, Microsoft is not looking good. Same with Apple. Meta also not looking too hot. Yeah, Microsoft looking like it wants to break down. Go lower. Let's see if it loses a 9 EMA. 444.25. That's the level I want to see the Q holding. But yeah, Microsoft is not helping. And we want to see this 30-minute candle here using the one before as support, not rejecting here. So that will be a change of direction on today. Oops. Come on, boom, boom. Boom, boom time. Go. I have 20 minutes. Go. 20 more minutes. Okay, Spy, I see you. Nvidia. I'll be back. Nvidia still fighting 900. Come on. Come on. If the 30-minute candle on the Q can close like that, that will be definitely a change of direction for today. I want to see it closing above this candle here. But it keeps rejecting that high. Okay, let's see, Spy, see you guys. Go. Give me more. I just want to go back to green. I want to see a retest of the VWAP in and out. Google looks like it wants to boom boom. But I will prefer to wait for a pullback to previous high, to previous all-time high. So it's flagging, flagging, flagging. It's been consolidating the entire day pretty much. After this big move, like the first few minutes in the morning, and then consolidating, holding. But I will prefer if we can go back down, pretest previous all-time high, and we can look for pretty much break and retest there. Break and retest play there. I like that the VWAP is starting kinda to it's losing the downtrend, right? Kinda getting flat here on the Q, SPY, and Nvidia. And Amazon, it's about to curve up. That's a good signal. And the 90 EMA is definitely going in an uptrend. I do not want to see this 30-minute candle closing like that. And if we lose the 90 EMA here, most likely I'll get out. You want to see Nvidia holding also. ¿Qué pasa? Very boring day for me. Trying to catch a bounce here. That the P&L from all the accounts or just one? How many accounts do you see there? You guys can see I'm trading with 10 accounts. So each one of these is one account. I'm trading with all 10 accounts. And this is the P&L here. At the bottom is the P&L for what I have open and how many contracts are holding on all these accounts right now. If I can end the day green, if it is only $1, I'll be super happy. Or zero. But I don't want to see this red total P&L here. And we have a pretty good entry. But I'm gonna have to, like I said, I have a class at 1. So I'm gonna have to end the stream before 1. And it looks like I'm gonna keep holding this trade. Yeah, because so far I have no reason to sell because the market is still kind of trying to go to the upside. Un día verde? I hope so. The charts are trading view. I use trading view for charts. I have 2 more minutes to be here. 2 more minutes. At 12:55, I'm leaving. So yeah, it looks most likely I'm gonna keep holding this even if I end the stream, because so far I have no reason to sell and I had a very good entry, pretty much entry at the bottom. Oh yeah, and trading with trade of 8. But the charts are trading view. Okay, 12:55. I have to go. I have to go. So I'm gonna keep holding these unless I see. It looks like it's breaking the 90 MA. Mm, let's see if it breaks the 90 MA. Here, I'm getting out. It just keep holding. Okay. No. Yes. No. Keeps holding. Nvidia is holding. Yeah, Nvidia keeps holding, so that's kind of bullish for the Q, even though Microsoft is looking bearish. So I think I want to see the Q holding this little level here. Let's take out this. I want to see the Q holding that level there. If it keeps holding that level, I'm just gonna keep holding this play until the VWAP. Most likely I'm gonna sell everything, maybe hold one and see how it's gonna react to the VWAP. If they have an ugly reaction, I'll sell everything. If I see kinda consolidating at the VWAP, I might hold just one and see how it's gonna react there. But yeah, I gotta go. So I'm not gonna trade anything else with these accounts because that was one of the rules, not taking any trades outside the stream. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna keep holding this unless it breaks this little support here. But so far, I don't like how this 30-minute candle is about to close. I want to see it closing green and holding this high here. But, but yeah, SPY is not looking good. Looks like it's reacting to this level here. But the Q is holding, so yeah, I'm holding. If the Q is holding, I'm holding. So yeah, I'll post later today how I end the day with this account. I'm not, like I said, I'm not taking any other trade. I'll be watching how the Q reacts here and deciding if I want to get out or keep holding till the VWAP. But yeah, I'll post that later, the picture how it ended, how I ended the day with these accounts on here on YouTube. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. See you mañana. Bye.